In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ctrl E instead in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel so you can follow along. This shortcut is tied to a feature called Flash Fill, and it can save a lot of time when you're working with text-based data. Instead of typing the same kind of edit over and over, Excel can recognize a pattern you start and then complete the rest for you automatically. Ctrl and E together activate Flash Fill in Excel. This feature is especially useful when you need to extract part of a name, combine text from different cells, or apply a consistent format across a list. In simple terms, you give Excel an example of what you want, and Flash Fill tries to continue that pattern for the remaining rows. To see how it works, create a small sample table. In one column, enter a header called Full Name, and in the next column, enter a header called First Name. Under Full Name, type a few names such as John Smith, Sarah Johnson, Michael Brown, and Emily Davis. This gives Excel a clear set of values to work from. Now go to the First Name column. In the row next to John Smith, manually type John. This first entry is important because it shows Excel the exact pattern you want to extract. Rather than copying the whole name, you're only entering the first name. After that, select the next cell down in the First Name column, the one beside Sarah Johnson. With that cell active, press Ctrl and E on your keyboard. Excel should detect the pattern from your example and automatically fill the remaining cells with Sarah, Michael, and Emily. Once Flash Fill completes the entries, your results should show the full names in one column and the matching first names in the next column. This is a quick and efficient way to separate text without using formulas. One important tip is that Ctrl E works best when your data follows a consistent pattern. If the names or text are irregular, Flash Fill may not understand what you want right away. If that happens, simply type one or two more examples manually, then press Ctrl E again. Giving Excel more context usually helps it identify the pattern correctly. That's all there is to it. Open Excel, enter your sample data, type the first example yourself, and use Ctrl E to let Flash Fill handle the rest. It's a simple shortcut, but it can make everyday Excel tasks much faster and easier.